Are you a business owner and you seek growth in your business? Is promoting your brand or interacting with your customers and prospects a challenge for you? Do you crave to take your business to the next level? I mean expanding your customer base and reach so massively that you'll literally have to pick and choose clients to work with. Now, I don't mean opening more branches or outlets because that will require huge capital and human expenses that you probably don't have at the moment. What I'm talking about is a medium that'll allow you to put your business before the world, reach more clients, and of course, close as many deals as you want. Here is the big insider strategy that'll take you right there. Social media marketing. Whether you operate a local business, a corporate firm, or services business, social media marketing offers you a lucrative way to expand your business and increase your customer reach without incurring any capital expenses. How does that sound? Awesome, right? Yeah! According to stats, it's estimated that there are over 3 billion social media users around the globe, and about 2 billion of this number are active on a daily basis, with over 1 million new users signing up on major platforms every single day. Facebook alone has 2.2 billion monthly users. Twitter has 321 million monthly users. Instagram with over 1 billion monthly active users. So what does this tell you? It means every prospective customer in your business surfs the internet on one social media platform or the other on a daily basis. And as such, with a professionally set up social media presence for your business, you get to eliminate every limitation your business has ever had. The bigger and more engaged your audience on social media networks is, the easier it will be for you to achieve every other marketing goal on your list. But the downside is this. To flag a successful and profitable social media presence, it requires a lot of work, experience, skills, consistency, and these are not all readily available. You'll need experts on content creation, branding, professional graphics designers, experienced ad experts, and many more. And these are skills that the everyday so-called web consultant do not have, or even if some do, they will charge you hell for it. Think about it. There are millions of brands online clamoring for the attention of would-be customers every single day. But how many of these brands get a good ROI on their social media marketing budget? A few, you'll agree. But that's where we come in. Over the years, we have helped many businesses across different niches to grow their business and increase profits simply by implementing our revolutionary social media domination strategy. With this service, you get the rare advantage of working with a team of seasoned and experienced marketers with the only goal to give your brand dominance in the social media space. We'll help develop a social media marketing plan, craft your brand's message, and design a beautiful brand image to give your brand a unique market entry. Content, as you know, is a major decider in this game, but you need not worry, as our team of copywriters will handle all your content creation with masterfully crafted posts, tweets, and content that will resonate with your target audience. Also, with premium tools at our disposal and our team of seasoned marketers, we'll run ad promotions and track every single activity as we go, so as to easily optimize the campaigns when and where the need arises. And that's not all. The various social media handlers are unique in their different ways. Whether Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc., they all have unique user culture, and to be effective with your marketing, experts are required. This expertise is what we offer. Ready to take a leap in your business? Contact us today to get a spot on our client list, as we work only with a handful of businesses per time so as to deliver maximum results. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the button below.
Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you discover how to start managing a successful business by working with the right clients the right way. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in everything. About all the information linked below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.